So we're gonna prep some H's for our 5-wall. You're gonna need 2 types. 1 H with some holes in the bottom, and that is gonna be for your bottom, then a solid H, as I call it, with no holes, and that will be for your top. So your bottom will get setting blocks like this, and how to prep them, I usually just set them all up and I prep them all at once. But you're gonna need some Pro Glaze, and that's the plastic tube. Cut the top off. Put your nozzle on. Now you don't want too big of a nozzle and you don't want too small. So I'm right about there, and I don't have a huge angle on it. It's usually right around that 32 degree. I know it's not perfect, but like there. And then you want it clean all around. So when you start sealing your poly, you'll have a nice bead. Then we dab the ends. Sort of at quarter points is where you want it. So the reason why I glue them in, just so they don't fall out. You don't have to do this part, but it's just so much easier. Then I just put it in. Now if you find that it's a little bit loose and it might fall off, I just slide it over and I give it a little pinch, as well as the other side. Then it's in there nice and snug. It's not gonna fall when you go to move it. Then since we're doing a sidewall, you'll notice the long edge on this H is on the outside. I'm calling this my outside. So on a sidewall, your H is gonna be reversed. So one will go this way. So the long end on the top will go towards the inside. Make sure it's on there snug. Give it a bit of a pinch. Now you're ready to put it in.